In this video, I want to show you how easy it is for you to get in on making profits with AI. Everyone's talking about AI right now, and there's a lot of solutions coming out that help you see how you can make money with AI, maybe making services for people or doing courses. But the truth is, those solutions are something that everyone and their brother can do. Something that's always been a big differentiator, especially in my career, is creating software. And what's really cool is we've actually created something that allows you to have your own AI software that you could sell for 100% profits in the next 15 minutes without any coding skills, without needing to hire coders, without needing to spend months doing any sort of coding and then trying to do proof of concept. All of that is going to delay you from ultimately what you really want, which is making profits. Now, if you're someone who's already making money online and you already have a business, or someone who hasn't, this is going to work for you in either of those cases. If you already have a business, great. If you don't, you're going to really enjoy this. So this is basically our AI software white label option. So you could take our WebinarKit software, which does a lot of things that I'm going to show you in this quick video. It does AI webinar creation, both scripts and slides, with more to come. It does automated webinars, and it does live webinars. And you could sell all of those services to people as AI tools or webinar tools. So just to kind of show you how easy it is to set up, this basically all becomes yours with a quick rebrand. This logo becomes yours. If we go to settings, we could come down and see the white label settings here. This is how easy it is to change it to your own software. Literally, you just come in here, change the brand name, change your fav icon, and change your logo right here, and that will change the logo over here. So just like that, you've got your own software, and then I want to show you exactly how this works. If I come over here to sub accounts, this is the sub accounts that you'll be able to sell. So you could hook these sub accounts up in two ways. One is manually. If I click here, I could put sub account name, email, and password. Let's say I sell this to someone for $47 a month, $67 a month, $97 a month, $197 a month, whatever it is. I can give them access to an account with just automated webinars. Maybe you sell that for $47 a month. I can give them an account with just live webinars. Maybe I sell that for $67 a month. Maybe I do both for $97 a month, right? But I can go ahead and create that account. I didn't put a password, so it didn't go through. But anyway, that's one way. The other way is you could kick out accounts with Zapier, or you could use the API. So there's a bunch of different ways to kick out these accounts very easily when someone buys. Now, that said, I also want to show you that we have a special page that's included. You also get access to our page builder here, which you could use for this purpose or something else. But just to create one and show you, this is one of our templates here where you can actually come in and build your software sales page, because you might be wondering, okay, they're going to give me a software to sell, but how do I actually sell it? And this is an example of one that you could use, and basically it looks really good. We have other ones as well. So if I go to show elements and templates and I click browse templates, we've got a bunch of different ones. Maybe you want to use this one, right? It's a bit simpler. So you got this one, which has video access. It has, really, really nice, simple, clean software here. So you can come in and, do your pricing, put your buttons, etc. So that's included as well. You get your own custom sales page. You can also use these sales page templates to sell anything else very, very easily. So I'm going to exit out of there. So just like that, you've got your own software that is rebranded with your own login and everything that you need to sell this. Now, what are you actually selling? Well, we have a few different products. One is the AI Creator Suite. And what's really cool is there's no webinar software with this feature out here. Most webinar software require you to already have a webinar, meaning you need to go spend tens of thousands of dollars with a designer, or you need to spend months or years building everything yourself. With this, you can actually come to new script over here, okay, and you could do a new script. So you can literally come in here and AI will generate you a webinar script, and then at the same time you can also do slides. So if I come over here to slides here, you can see that you can also do a new slide presentation. If I go to edit slide deck, this will give you an example of what this looks like, but it will actually create your slideshow. If I click create slide from deck, I could select a script. It'll populate a script from the previous step, and I can select the styles. I can auto-generate my images from AI. So this is the first thing that you could sell as an AI tool. You could sell a Gamma competitor. You could sell a typeset competitor, right? This actually creates slide decks that will actually sell stuff. So it's optimized based on millions in sales for the script and the slide deck. You can now use this for your own business as well as create, sell software accounts to other people. Instead of having to manually do services or sell courses, again, this could be one of your offerings that you sell with white labeling this option. So that's one thing that you could do. The other amazing things that WebinarKit does that you can go ahead and sell are the actual webinars. So you could do automated and live. So if I go to new automated webinar, WebinarKit handles automated webinars for 1 day. You could also do 5-day challenges, 3-day challenges inside of WebinarKit, automated or live. And with our white label option, you literally get the ability to do all of that. And as I showed you earlier, you could sell just automated accounts or live accounts or both. So it's totally up to you. But just to show you how great WebinarKit is, you have all of the automated webinar functionalities here. Instant watch, like a video sales letter. You've got just-in-time sessions, scheduled dates, blackout dates. You could do password protected. You could put a domain. You could enable or disable attendee sign-in. You have the ability to host pages inside WebinarKit or host on your own domain. So this is the registration and thank you page builders, which are super easy with drag and drop here. So this is if I embed. So let me just go out. You can embed that on your own site. But if I go to the actual page builder, I just toggle that little button there. Let me just go in here, right? I can create, browse templates. I could select a different template. Maybe I want this one for my page, right? We have a bunch of high converting. Maybe I want to add a video. Boom, I can add a video right there. Okay, so that's how you do that. We also have the watchroom builders. You can build your own custom watchroom exactly how you want it to look. You can also embed your watchroom, something we haven't seen anywhere else, meaning that you can take your whole webinar watchroom and embed it on your old site. Imagine having a webinar running on your own website as opposed to on ours. We give you total flexibility, and we also give you the replay page to catch sales from people who may not have had time to watch your webinar live. We also have built-in follow-ups in the form of AI webinar, AI email follow-up, and AI SMS follow-up. So you can either write the emails yourself. We have this AI button throughout our entire software here. So literally you could come in here and just press a button and it'll generate your entire webinar email. But you can also do that. I'll go back and show you guys that we have this on everything. We also have this feature on here. So anytime you're building something, we have the AI button. That's going to, you could just press a button and it'll generate your headline, your bullet points, your emails, your SMS messages, everything just with the help of that AI assist. So you can use it to help you, or you could use it to write everything. So that's another really powerful thing that we have. But you come down to the end page and we have such perfectly segmented out emails to assure that you're never missing a sale. You've got all of these features over here based on what percentage people have watched, following up after, whatever, and specific actions like viewed replay emails, did not view, clicked button, etc. We've got SMS, and we've got integrations with dozens of people, other software in here. If you want to connect to Google Calendar, you want to connect to your own email provider, you want to connect through Zapier or Pabbly, we have all of that. We also have the ability to clone this funnel and share it to another account, so you have the ability to do that too. So that's basically how you set up an automated webinar. The live webinar is the same functionality. We also have the AI chat option. So if I come back and just show you the webinar watchroom builder, we have a bunch of options when it comes to chat. So the first thing we have is you can enable the live chat or shut it off. It could be public or private. You can enable email notifications. You could block certain things. We also have the chat simulator, and we have two options. You could auto simulate pre-created messages, but you could also do AI messages, which is really cool. This is what we call our AI sales agent, which again, makes sure that you're never missing a sale. And people have reported as much as 3 times the conversions on their webinar with this, because when you're in a live or automated webinar, you don't want the messages to go unseen from the chat. If you're live and people are typing in the chat, you could potentially miss those messages and they get angry. And if it's an automated webinar, there's no one there to answer it anyway. So you could solve that with our AI chat responses. We're calling that our AI sales agent. So these are all things when you go and sell your own AI software. You have the AI creation suite for the webinars. You've got AI-enabled automated and live webinars with the AI sales agent, AI throughout the entire thing that builds all of your copy for you. So you have all of these things that you could sell, and it's going to allow you to keep 100% of the profits without having to code anything. You could have this set up within 15 minutes. The other really cool thing I'm going to show you is we also have WebinarKit White Label Academy, which is included. We also include regular WebinarKit Academy, but our White Label Academy includes amazing things like done for you templates. We also give you our webinar, so you can actually get a webinar presentation that you can either plug into AI or you could also use our AI tool to build your own. But regardless, we give you our template that you can use as well to sell your webinar software, to sell your AI software. So we give you everything that you could possibly need, from the tools to the courses to the setup, everything, to the sales tools. So you can't lose with this. If you're really serious about building passive income and cashing in on AI, this is a massive opportunity for you. You don't need to worry about making courses or selling annoying services. Just plug into having your own software. We do have amazingly affordable options right now. You can actually start with, regardless of what level you're at, we have plans with 100 sub accounts all the way up to 500 sub accounts available right now. And if you end up needing more, meaning you sell all 100 to 500, we have additional plans to help you. But right now, you can get us started very affordably. We have plans that are actually cheaper than other webinar software out there that don't offer white label, that don't have the AI sales agent, that don't do create webinars for you, that don't have our sales tools that actually sell and get you more sales overall, right? We're actually less expensive with all of these features for a limited time. So if you want to take advantage of this, you could have this tool that over time is going to make you money, where you could keep selling these AI sub accounts and use our software tools, our webinars, etc. to help you. Just go ahead and go below. You're going to find a coupon as well because you watched this video, and you're going to find all of these different plans. So you could select the plan that works best for you. If you're in scale mode and you want to really take advantage, the more accounts you get, the less dollars per account it will be roughly. But right now, all plans are literally like $1 to maybe $1.50 per sub account, maybe $2 around there. You could do the math yourself, but they're all very, very affordable, which is insane because you could get these accounts for a couple dollars or less and resell them for $47, $97, $197 a month. Bundle them with your high ticket stuff if you want. Whatever you're doing, it's a no-brainer. So just go ahead and try it out. You can get started right now. We have plans that are skip trial that have a really good value, or you could get $1 trial for a different plan. Just go ahead below and pick the plan that works best for you based on those features, and we'll see you on the inside.